These little things are going to revolutionize your JavaScript coding. Let's go back in time for a few seconds. When it came to adding the variables in the string format, you used to have to put the text in between quotes. Put a plus sign, add the variable, put another plus sign, and then add more text in quotes. Well, scratch that. You don't have to do that anymore with template literals. It's just a big fancy name for what's also known as backticks. We are going to set up a fairly simple temperature conversion app. Code the HTML like this. Add in your classes. Then code the CSS like this. It looks a little nicer this way. Let's use const and query selector to add in our variables. Type out your functions. Since they are inputs, you need to add value to use the number you put in. This time, we want to display the input of the temp of 1 and display the output of the conversion. This is where we use the backticks. To see the script, first type in an easy example. 32 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 0 degrees Celsius. This will print out exactly as it's written, but that defeats the purpose of using the conversion. We need to use the placeholder $sign and brackets that tell the function we want to use a JavaScript expression or variables to output in the inner HTML. Remember to add value to the first part. Let's type in a number for the Fahrenheit, say 70 degrees. Well, I think it worked fine, but what's with the crazy long number? Instead of worrying about that, let's fix it with the toFixed method. This will allow you to put as many or as little decimal places as you want. In our case, we want 0. That's much better. Now we could do it for Celsius. Congrats! You just made your first temperature app with template literals as your display.